Paki-open po. Bye-bye.
You never heard before.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't tear my heart, my achy breaky heart. I just don't think you'd understand.
Oh yeah.
Dito tayo. Dito po tayo. Okay, guys. Paki-open po. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, sir.
Mukhang kamukha ko to ah.
Kayo po yan, sir. Ayan, sir. Happy birthday. Ayan. At syempre, meron din kayong ito pa. Happy birthday! Oh, diba? Bagay na bagay. Oh, yeah. Syempre, hindi lang po yan. Ay, red wine.
Ah, walang blue.
Dito po tayo, tay. Yan, dito tayo. At syempre, di lang po yan. Meron din kami nahandang cake. Pa-heart po. Pa-health. Para ma-ano po kayo, sir. Ah, hindi lang po yan.
Ano pa? Meron pa?
Hawakan nyo lang para maka-ano si sir. Hawakan nyo ng bouquet. Okay, di lang yan, sir. Meron pa kayong pizza! Ayan! Ayan, ang laki, oh! Oh, diba? Ayan! Oh, see? Goodbye flowers! Ayan! Super laki! Okay? Happy birthday!
Hindi na maubos to.
Hindi na maubos! Ayan po ang inyong giant pizza. Okay? Dito po tayo sa gitna po.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, Grandpa. Bago nyo po i-blow yung candle, dapat po muna kayo mag-wish. So, wish, wish, wish! Okay, blow!
Let's hope that there will be more happy years to come. Thank you very much.
Okay, blow!
Thank you.
Blow, Grandpa!
Okay, good.
Yay!
Dearest Daddy, Grumpy Maurice Sr., it's our great honor and privilege to extend our love and warmest greetings of 65th birthday from Canada. We are excited to see you soon. Bring lots of bagoong unto you, as I always tell you that there's no place like home, Philippines. So enjoy your vacation, relax, and see you soon. Love, Junjun. Thank you, Junjun. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, at
Thank you,
syempre,
Ding Dong.
ma'am, ano pong yung mensahe sa inyong mister?
Oh, hope we have more years to come on his birthday and to celebrate his birthday like this and to be with his kids and grandkids. See you soon. We love you.
Okay, meron pa po ba gusto mag-message para kay sir? Message po. Mother? Malika, mother. Happy birthday po.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, yun po message po. Okay na po ba? Okay. So, hindi lang po dyan nagtatapos. Meron pa po. Asa na po yung cake? Okay. Madam, pakihawakan po. At sir, akin na po. Okay, sir. Pagbilang ko po ng 3, ha? Dapat pakihila po ito. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Pakihila! Ayan!
Pagtalpakan.
Grumpy, tatanungin ko po kayo, ano po feeling na pag may nahihiya?
Masaya ngayon.
Ngayon daw, di ba? Okay.
Thank you again.
Okay.
See you.
Okay po, ano po yung mensahe po kay Ma'am Jingle Junior at sa inyong mga family po sa Canada?
Sige.
Sige na.
Masasabi ko lang dyan, sana palagi kayong safe at paalagaan yung mga sarili niyo katawan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you again, Junjun and Jingo, and everyone, Christine, Randy. We love you and the kids, grandkids. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you.
So magpapakilala lang po ako, ma'am and sir, okay? In behalf of Edmonton's Flower Shop and Party, thank you sa inyong family po sa Canada. Ayan, sa pagpili po sa amin upang maipahatid po ang sorpresang nais po nilang ipahatid sa kanilang Grumpy. Ayan, mula po yan sa inyong pamilya, sa inyong children, ayan, andyan na po lahat po, ayan. So, salamat po at especially po kay Ma'am Mel Cabula de la Cruz. Ayan, thank you po sa pag-comment.
Thank you so much, Mel and
Ayan.
Paul. Thank you for the surprise.
Masaya po ba, sir?
Yeah.
Masaya.
Ayan, marami pong salamat. Pasensya na po kung ako ay alam mo na, nilipat ng bahay. Thank you. Bye.
Birthday Grumpy, I miss you, I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Grumpy. Hope you're having a good time at the Philippines. Wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Grumpy. Wish you all the luck. Maisa.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Grumpy!
Happy birthday, Grumpy. Yeah. Wish you more health. God bless. Enjoy your vacation.
God bless
Come
you
back
always.
soon. We miss you.
Happy retirement, Grumpy! Happy 65th birthday! You're officially retired! Happy birthday! We miss you! Mama! Happy birthday, Balayan! Okay. Magaling cooking girls. Okay. Happy birthday, Grumpy! We miss you! Come back! Hi, Grumpy! Happy birthday! I miss your igado. Your ginudo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Wish.
I wish you all the best and stay healthy.
Be safe.
Happy birthday.
And what? Long and healthy life always. We love you.
Bye bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy 65th birthday, Grumpy. Enjoy your day. And we'll see you soon. Okay? Have fun.
Three, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday, Grumpy. Go Raptors. So say Go Raptors.
Go.
Happy birthday, Grumpy. Go Raptors. Oh, that's funny because they almost dropped it. Yeah, like a blooper. You know, you can put in a blooper.
Fritos Chili Cheese Junior Wrap is 99
Yeah, we
cents.
have
I
it.
feel like they just marked it wrong, but I'm not telling right. Sonic Fritos.
Happy birthday, Grumpy.
Birthday, Grumpy. We love you.
Grumpy.
Bye. Bye.
Say hi. Grumpy. Happy birthday. We love you. Miss you. Where are you going? 65th birthday, Grumpy. We miss you. We miss your cooking. Come home safely.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. Oh, I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Thank